Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says the Commission will work in synergy with the NDDC Staff Cooperative Microfinance Bank established to aid the growth of small, medium-scale enterprises in the Niger Delta. Dr. Ogbuku gave the assurance when board and management of the bank paid him a courtesy visit recently at the NDDC corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt.
The NDDC Microfinance Bank was floated recently by the Commission's Staff Cooperative Society to provide banking services to rural communities and stimulate economic growth in the Niger Delta region. During a recent courtesy visit to the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku in Port Harcourt, Board Chairman of the NDDC Microfinance Bank, Dame Onome Adewuyi, observed that its operations would benefit small and medium enterprises, particularly those owned by women and youth in the Niger Delta.
The bank would like to partner with the NDDC in the following areas: the SMEs, women and youth development and empowerment programs. The SMEs are a veritable driver of economic growth and development in every economy. Women and youth are a strategic component in the development of human capital base of any nation. Armed with these facts, the bank will develop bespoke products tailored for the empowerment and support of the SMEs.
Dame Adewuyi, while seeking the partnership and support of the NDDC, assured Dr. Ogbuku that the Staff Cooperative Microfinance Bank would complement the Commission's efforts at employment generation and wealth creation in Nigeria's oil belt.
The Microfinance Bank will complement the efforts of the Commission in job and wealth creation, human capital development, reduction of poverty index, and diminish the phase of insecurity in the Niger Delta region.
In his response, Dr. Ogbuku commended the NDDC Staff Cooperative Society for floating a microfinance bank and assured his guests that the Commission would support the financial institution to succeed.
We are very, very much interested in the success of the microfinance bank. We believe the more we meet and discuss, we are going to look at areas of mutual benefit, areas where we partner to ensure that, yes, it benefits the region. Because NDDC, as a body, is responsible for the development of the region. NDDC itself, at a point, might also be an investor in the microfinance bank.
The NDDC Staff Cooperative Microfinance Bank became operational recently after it was issued an operating license by the Central Bank of Nigeria on the 3rd of March 2023. For now, it is operating as a one-branch microfinance bank that intends to expand its operations in no distant time.
Inside the Niger Delta,